seems I came at a bad time.
No. I think you couldn't have timed it better.
23:47:15 system time. Very punctual, Kafka.
Elio always tells the exact future. So what's with the explosion just now? Was that also part of his script?
23:44:59 system time. The pulses from the explosion cause a massive breakdown from the master control system.
You did that.
No, the Antimatter Legion did it. They completely invaded the space station 2 system hours ago.
Alright. So do we need to fight the Legion?
I don't know. Elio didn't say anything about it, so it doesn't matter.
Got it. So from now on, I'll be in charge of this operation.
Copy. Can you let me have some fun this time? Our last few operations turned out to be pretty dull.
Sorry, I'm afraid there is not much but if you want. After all, Elio didn't put it in the script. Why would it matter? May as well kill them all. When did the Antimatter Legion become so weak?
I could only attract this much. Did you really want the entire Legion to come here?
This lot won't be able to slow down the Astral Express crew.
Relax. A Doomsday Beast is also here.
That breathing sensation. Remember it. This won't take long. Good times never last. Time to say bye. Boom.
Cleaning up other people's mess isn't in my job description. You know, Kafka?
Yeah. Where did you send it, Silverwolf?
Some random coordinates, not important. You care about where that void ring?
Of course not. I'm just amazed at this fancy technique of yours, as usual.
Just a little trick of tampering with the data of reality. I wouldn't call it fancy.
What were you looking at so intently just now? Let me see.
Herta's Toys. A catalog feat.
Like what?
There's this gun. It can rate any creature within its crosshair as a score from 0 to 100.
Doesn't sound...
Aren't you curious about how much you would score?
Fine. I guess we can swing by.
Go down the corridor behind...
So that's where the Stellaron is.
That's where we can find out where the Stellaron is. The central area of the space station is up ahead. There will be lots of Legion Void Rangers there.
May as well kill them all.
This combat needs optimizing. At this speed, too slow.
Hold it. Someone or something.
Looks like we're the ones.
But they're the ones getting...
You took the bait just like that?
Good times never last. Time to say bye. Boom. Not a single...
According to the act,
It doesn't ring a bell. Where's the Stellaron?
Elio's script doesn't include any info about the location of...
We would find the Stellaron in a non-physical way.
This space station is packed with...
Hiding something extra...
I've got all the... Help me investigate the...
Okay, the stage is yours. I can see the whole...
Even if you could. This is the... Make your way over here, then. There's no point.
So?
It's a matter of...
Aha.
Simple, crude.
What's this?
Item number 211.
So...
The simplest method. The data suggests...
Let's take a look. Interesting. She's a member of the Genius Society.
It has its own...
Can you get it?
Of course.
Good.
The receptacle's ready. Your decision.
Elio said this decision will bring about lots of changes.
He also said, it must be you who makes it. Want to give him a new name?
There we go. How much does he remember?
He'll remember you.
Time to get up. Oh. A space station, but that's not important. Listen, you are in a daze right now. You don't know who you are, why you're... None of that matters. All you need to know is that I'm leaving. Listen, in the near future, at the end of your journey, this is your future that Elio has foreseen. Do you like it? Lovely. Hey, remember that's the you I like.
How long do you think you need? According to the script, the Astral Express cruiser...
I know, Silverwolf. Just give me another minute. I must leave now. Don't worry, someone will... When you have a chance to make a choice, make one that you know you won't regret.
Weren't their coordinates sent out from the space station?
Who cares? They're here and alive.
Weak heartbeat and pulse. March, you better do CPR.
Huh? I've never done it. Wait, stop it! They're awake! Are you alright? Can you hear me? Do you remember your name? Aw, this isn't good. Can you try?
Nice to meet you. My name's Dan Heng, and this is March 7th. This space station was just attacked by the Antimatter Legion. We came to help with the rescue at the... Back to the Master Control Zone.
Plus, that's where we parked the Astral Express. Don't...
You and March go back together. Our land from the security department lost
Oh, alright. You stay... Maybe you should take this. The Legion are rampaging through the space. Just a suggestion, though. You're... This place is full of fancy little gadgets. Herta's collection. I really don't get why she'd go out of her way to collect them and then leave them here to gather dust. It's the Antimatter Legion. So these... give you a present!
Let's go.
Try that again! You're stronger than you look. Seem to be quite the fighter. So we'll take that elevator on the central platform to go down to the... I know... Memory loss, huh? Never mind. Let's go. I'll take you... With me out here, how can we lose? Gotta try hard sometimes. Check out this awesome move!
Let's make it quick. How about this?
You can't run!
Rules are made to be broken!
I knew it. Nah, I think the elevator's broken. Too bad Don hung.
I don't know that.
Whoa! Why are you here? And how did you get here?
I took another route to the upper level, and I saw you guys from up there. Arlan is in the control room. He's been...
You found him.
I suppose as the head of this...
Then let's go talk to him. Freeze!
Step aside. I have no interest in stoking conflict.
You have the worst luck running into me. I told ya I could fight. With me out here, how can we lose?
Let's go. How about this?
Try that again.
It's too late to repent.
My turn.
Let's make it
Try
quick.
hard sometimes. Check out this awesome move.
Let's go. Batter up!
You couldn't have done it without me.
Hey, you're all...
Yep, we're from the
Oh,
It's just a...
Why is the
I have no... Lead researcher,
Don't be too hard on yourself.
Yeah, most of the staff have been evacuated safely. So right now our highest priority is to return to the master control zone and plan a counterattack. So, do you know how to use the elevator? I couldn't start it.
After the evacuation was complete, the elevators were all shut down to keep the Legion away from the master. Since Lady Asta sent you to look for me, I
Oh, right. But where did...
You...
Here it is.
Now that we found the key, we should get going. We can use that comms...
Let's go.
Hold on. Sorry. The space hole have to
Huh?
My leg is...
You won't slow us down.
Agreed. Let us worry about the... Aren't you a nice...
Thank you.
Back.
The truth of life and death, revealed in an instant. This sanctuary is but a vision. Clemency? Never heard of it.
Rules are made to be broken! Decisive strike!
My turn.
Reach the end of the story in your own way.
The repulsion bridge has been shut down?
Yes. To stall the enemy. More or less.
Keep at it.
You have the worst
The
luck
truth
running
of
into
life
me.
and death, revealed in an instant. This sanctuary is but a vision.
My turn. With me out here, how can we lose?
Batter up!
You can't run!
The time is now.
You You have the worst luck. Gotta try hard sometimes. Check out this awesome move!
Just a scratch.
Try that again! Hey,
No.
They were acquired.
Looks good.
Aw, is that it? We've reached the elevator already? That wasn't too many monsters. Ugh, probably shouldn't have said that. My...
Move carefully.
Stay right there while I give you a present!
What about this? Rules are made to be broken! You're out!
The time now. The truth of life and death, revealed in an instant. This sanctuary is but a vision.
You can't run! Try that again! My turn! You can't run! Gotta try hard sometimes. Check out this awesome move! You have the worst luck running into me. With me out here, how can we lose?
What about this?
Try that again!
Rules are made to be broken!
step aside. I have no interest.
Watch this! Try that again! Hey! Sore losers! You can't just gang up on us!
Go!
Why does it always have to get this exciting? Anyway, at least you're back. March, Dan-Heng, you've been through.
Phew.
I wouldn't have made it different. Are you all right, Arlan? Asta.
I'm fine.
Hey, nice to meet you.
In other words, she...
March hasn't been any.
Think carefully about how you want to Huh. Looks like we have two...
Please.
Come on, Asta's been.
Projectile radar tracking normal. Telemetry signal frequency unusually high. Maintain at normal levels. Our measurements predict that the Legion is about to unleash over 10 waves of continuous attacks.
Asta, we're back!
Oh, I'm glad you're all back safe in times of disaster. But on the other hand,
What is the current situation?
the situation is under control for now. The damage to our security system was minor. The intruder only. The real problem lies with the researchers. They trust Madam Her.
Let's go speak with the researcher.
I sent multiple letters.
I knew it. No matter. I'll also send a letter to Herta and tell her that we've brought the rare item she seeks. At least that might get her attention.
Oh, that would be of great help. I'll leave the reassurance of the researchers in your hands.
If only I caught the. Oh, I'm. I hope all this.
I need to leave. No, look, I know I will pull myself.
Push the stick down, Alfred. Thanks, kid. But first, our pre-check. It's quite a bit. Are you ready? Wrong order, kid. Push the control stick up to activate the spectrometer. Then, are you ready? Wonderful. That was Abraham with the top priority.
Told ya I could fight.
I'll free you from your chains. Disappear among the sea of butterflies. Illusions of the past. Let me end your misery. Who's next? What a headache. Who's next?
Watch this!
Don't mess with me. I'll free you from your chains. Disappear among the sea of butterflies. Illusions of the past. Let me end your misery. So you are afraid of me. Who's next? Let me end your misery. What a headache. Who's next?
I told ya I could fight.
Take the express and leave. I'll stay.
But
Let's go.
My zone's defense shield won't hold much longer. I'll be here. You hurry!
Are you thinking of going back?
The space station is hurt as.
but we can't.
Either way, the Legion.
That's why we have to leave.
He's that important?
He's the one who can help us turn the tides.
As
This is the supply zone where the mate.
Mr. Yang,
the Astral Express tracks our coordinates in real time.
I can almost get. Right now, we might be able to handle things if it's just the Doomsday Beast, but if the Destruction's Emanator were to appear. Let's hurry up and get out of here.
Keep at it.
gotta try hard sometimes. Check out this awesome move!
Step aside. I have no interest in
My turn.
the truth of life and death, revealed in an instant. This sanctuary is but a vision.
You have the worst luck running into me. Stay right there while I give you a present!
Let's make it quick. What about this?
You won't get away!
You can't run! Try that again!
Clemency? Never heard of it.
My turn.
Reach the end of the story in your own way.
The exit's over there.
You won't get away!
Rules are made to be broken! Decisive strike!
Step aside. I have no interest in.
With me out here, how can we lose?
What about this?
One at a time!
Clemency? Never
You
heard of
still
it.
don't understand. Humanity never conceals its desire to control the heavens. And I'm no exception.
Looks good.
Keep at it.
You won't get away!
Step aside. I have no interest in
You have the worst luck running into me.
the truth of life and death, revealed in an instant. This sanctuary is but a vision.
Reach the end of the story in your own way.
Burn away!
My turn. With me out here, how can we lose?
Let's make it quick.
Gotta try hard sometimes. Check out this awesome move!
This is our chance.
You won't get away! One at a time!
You can't run!
Clemency? Never heard of it.
Watch this!
Let's go.
How about this?
Step aside.
You still don't
I have
understand.
no interest in stoking conflict.
Humanity never conceals its desire to control the heavens. And I'm no exception.
rules are made to be broken!
Clemency? Never heard of it. The truth of life and death, revealed in an instant. This sanctuary is but a vision.
You have the worst luck running into me.
You won't get away!
This is our chance.
Step aside. I have no interest in stoking.
Stay right there while I give you a present! Try that again!
Let's
I
make it
try
quick.
hard sometimes. Check out this awesome move!
Let's go.
Combat is a series of precise machinations, one at a time.
You won't get away!
My turn. You're annoying! You can't run!
Let's make it quick. How about this?
Reach the end of the story in your own way.